Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my hair diary series. So I want to show you how I do my blowouts, and if you want to see how I prep my hair before doing this blow dry, then kindly check the previous video. I'm going to link it in the description box below. So I'm using the tension method. So this is the method that I saw is very safe for my hair. There's no breakage, and also it's actually much easier. Especially when you're doing it yourself. And as you can see, I'm avoiding the ends and making sure that I'm detangling my ends as I go to avoid breakage, because it's very easy to break your hair. It's very easy to get breakage, and I realized that whenever I was blow drying my hair, I used to break my hair at this time, like at this moment, because I'll just yank my hair out. Just my main goal was just to make sure that every single section is blow dried, but then afterwards I would look at my floor and there were so many broken hair breakages. There are so many breakages, so I decided to try this tension method, and it actually helps, and it helps with blow drying your hair really well. The cuticles lay flat really well, and it looks really good. As you can see, the shine is from the product that I showed you in the previous video, and just go and check it out and you'll see what I'm talking about. And yeah, so as you can see, my hair is smooth and it looks really good, and I'm using very minimal heat. I'm not using lots of heat. I'm using low to medium heat, and of course the high speed setting, of course. Yeah, so that's it. And then I'm putting my hair in a bantu knot, and you go to the next section. So the reason why I put my hair in a bantu knot, it's actually much easier for me, because the braiding process is just going to take lots and lots of time. Yeah, so you're just going to see the end result afterwards. So I'm detangling my hair first, then I use the tension method. I start from the roots. I don't touch my ends, but I finish up with my ends because I know it's easy for my ends to stretch out, so I blow dry it last. Yeah, so that's the whole process, guys. Guys, I'm done blow drying my hair, and yeah, so I think I just showed you, but I don't know if it's clear. I think I'll just see when I'm editing the video. So I just want you to see my hair. I don't know if this is, I hope you can see my hair really well, because I want to take this down. Okay, so let me just move back a little bit. I'm at that age where I take tea every single time. In the morning, in the evening, in the middle of the day, I'll have tea anytime, any day. So I just finished blow drying my hair, and I put it in bantu knots because this is much easier than braiding, because I feel like when I'm blow drying my hair and then I start braiding, it takes me a lot of time and I get tired even before I finish blow drying my hair. So every time I do this, my hair will stay stretched. Until now, I put it in a protective style. Of course, I want to put it in braids, just jumbo braids or twist, but I prefer braids because the braids, they stay a little bit longer stretched. As you can see, my hair is really shiny. It's super shiny. If you saw in the video, it was much easier to blow dry my hair because of the silicone makes the hair really soft, and it actually gives you a really good smooth surface, especially when you're blow drying your hair. So I'm just going to take this down. I don't want to take it down because I just feel like it looks really cute like this, and I wanted to say like this, but anyway, I'll just braid them. I'll just put on braids. So yeah, let me start with this. This was the first one. Now look at this. hair is really smooth and I can see it's very shiny. I don't know whether you can see from the camera, but it's very shiny. So I just want to take it all down, and I'm trying to be as gentle as possible. I'm so tired already, but I think I have a little bit strength left for just braiding my hair. So I just wanted to show you guys, that's why I'm taking it down. If I was not showing you guys, I don't think I would have taken it down today. I would have done the braiding tomorrow. And by braiding, I mean braiding my hair, just putting my hair in jumbo braids. Oh my god. I think I wrapped some of the bantu knots really tightly, but it's okay. Yeah, so this is how the hair looks like without fluffing it out. I hope you can see because it's getting dark. It's getting dark outside, and I hope you can see this. I hope you can really see my hair, guys. Yeah, so this is how my hair looks like right now. Look at that length. So I haven't even fluffed out my hair, guys. I haven't fluffed it out. So let me show you the back, how it looks like. Oh. I can literally feel my hair touching my back, and I'm like so yeah, this is how my hair looks like right now, and this would really look good if, for example, if I was styling it, and if I allowed the curls to set in just a little bit more, this would have been really good. I think I'm going to try this style out one day, hoping that it's not going to revert back as soon as I get out. Yeah, yeah, so this is how the hair looks like. I don't want to fluff it out, because if I start fluffing it out, it's going to start shrinking back before I put it in the braids. So yeah, so it actually looks really good in person than on camera. I don't know, guys, if you experience this. Like, for me, when I see myself on the mirror, I look really good, and then when I see myself on the camera, I look horrible. Well, that's why I don't take many pictures, because, you know, sometimes I look at myself and I'm like, oh my god, I look so cute, and then I take pictures and I don't look the same as I looked in the mirror. So yeah, this is my hair. This is my hair, guys. Oh my god, I really hope, I just wish you could see how it looks like in person, cause I don't know if the camera is doing my hair justice. I don't know if this looks good, this parting. I don't know whether it looks good on camera, or let me just try and play with it before it starts shrinking back. Oh my god, oh, this is so amazing. Okay, so I wasn't going to fluff it up, but let me try. Oh. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm super excited, guys. I can't believe my hair looks like this right now, because I never thought my hair would ever look like this, ever in my entire life. You know, it's all about consistency, guys, and getting to learn what your hair really likes. I think I need to trim my ends, because what are these? My ends look horrible, so they're not that horrible, so I can just maybe stay a couple of months without trimming, but I need to trim them at some point. Oh wow, okay. Okay, okay. I don't know how this looks on camera. I just hope it looks really good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wow. Wow. I'm super proud of myself. Oh, let me try and fluff it out here up the back. Just a little bit. I'm just playing with it, guys. I'm not styling or anything. I'm not trying to style it. But I just want to see how it looks. I'm just super excited. I can't believe that this is my hair, guys. Wow, it looks like a wig. It looks like a freaking wig, guys. Oh my god. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Let me just try and take pictures. I hope the pictures are going to look good, because if they don't look good, so tell me, guys, what do you think? What do you think? Has my hair grown compared to the last time you've seen my hair? Has my hair grown? Because for me, I feel like it's gotten thicker. I don't know about the length. The length I have to check. I have to check it. But the thickness is on another level. Even when I was blow drying my hair, I would feel the thickness. My strands are so thick right now, and yeah. Okay, that's it guys. Okay, I know it's going to start shrinking back really quickly because I did not use too much heat on my hair, but I'm thinking I'm just going to be styling my hair like this most of the times, especially when I'm going somewhere. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with the part where it's shrinking back a lot quicker. I think I'm going to get a flat iron soon, but let me know. The reason why I'm not getting the flat iron is because I might overdo it and then I end up damaging my hair, so I don't want to like rush into that. For now, I think it's best if we are like this. So guys, I had to braid my hair really quickly because it was reverting back. So I just put my hair in these braids and I just did it really quickly. I didn't even care whether they look good or not. I'm very much exhausted. I just need to go and sip on some tea and relax and just listen to some podcast and go to bed because I'm very tired. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you're a fan of this kind of videos. I don't know if it's different, but I feel like it's the same. It's just that this is my hair diary series. Yeah, so I'll just be sharing with you everything that I'm doing, everything that I've discovered when it comes to my hair. Well, these braids look really weird, but yeah, so everything that I've discovered, everything that I'm trying out. For example, like right now I've started using silicone on my hair, products that have silicone on my hair when I'm using heat. Well, not when I'm not using heat. And so this means that when it comes to wash day, since I used a product that has silicone in it, I have to make sure that I'm cleansing my hair. And it's going to be difficult to re-moisturize my hair, but I'm going to try and see if it's going to be possible. Another thing is, of course, my ends. I'll be re-moisturizing my ends as well, but I'm going to show you guys all that. I'm trying to get my momentum back so that I can be able to be posting as consistent as I used to before, and I'm hoping this time that things are going to get better, then things are going to improve. And since I can see like there's a huge difference, there's a huge progress when it comes to my hair. So far my hair feels really good and it's so silky. Let me just show you the braids. Look at the braids, guys. Yeah, so they have an amazing shine even if they look stiff. It's because I've braided it a little bit tighter than you're supposed to. That's why they're stiff like this, but it's okay. I'm not letting it out like this. I'll just put it in a bun and then that's it. So yeah, that's it guys. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.